Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out from GoPro Quik app. Alright, so how you can do that? Pretty simple and pretty fast. So uh, I assume that you are now in the album that you open up the app. Now navigate here to the top icon at the top left corner. There you will find your profile. So let's go and do that just like that. Now you can see we can scroll down a bit just like that, and here you see this big white screen sign out. So if you click on it you will be signed out of the app. Also the bottom here at the bottom here you also see the delete account. So if you want to delete account you can press this red text delete account, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.